Welcome back, everybody. It's Joker 68. Now known as Joker Comics and Cards. But you can still call me Joker 68. Ba-ba-ba-ba. And we are going to have a comic book video coming up soon. Doo-doo-doo. So, tonight I'm going to show you my what you call the Joker box. Something I put together. Some cards I got in here that I'm going to rip, and eventually I'm going to send some of these out to people, surprise them, whatever. I don't know. Right now I'm just going to have fun. I'm going to tweet it a little bit more. I want to get some 18 packs that I have storage and put in there. So let's just go through real quick and show what we got. Yep, I'm going to put some 18 in there, maybe some of my 19. And I'm not even going to charge anybody either. Wow. So 91, 21. So that's 91 Bowman. That's Chipper Jones. I don't know who's in there. I forget. Last year's. Maybe it's. I don't know. I don't like that set at all. Lou Bob. This year's Series 1. 91 Tops. Again, Chipper Jones maybe. Chrome. Update. Here's 2019 Tatis Jr., which he got hurt. There's Nani Bowman, which is Frank Thomas and Sammy Sosa. There's Archive, which would be, I believe, Lou Bob again, and 87 Tops is Barry Bonds, Jose Canseco Rookie Cup, and Mark McGwire's first card. Let's go with Archives. Hope everybody's doing okay. Thought I'd do this quick little rip here. Let's see here if I can even read it. I don't even know if I can see it there. Darren Crease, it looks like. I can't see very good, guys, at all anymore. Tim. There's Al Kaline. People don't understand, you know, I have a tumor that's like behind my eye, pushing on my eye. I have 3 of them and I just can't see, guys. It's very difficult. There's Tatis Jr. I don't know. Escobar. Some flashback. Duke Snyder. That's pretty cool. There's old Mickey Cabrera. I know Lisa would like that card. That's pretty cool. Lisa's a big Tigers fan. And Yo Durson. Pitcher. A good old shout out to my friend Jeff. Shaw Racing is doing his anniversary on the 17th. 1 year on YouTube. Let me see what else here. Trucker Tim, Double T. He does 2 packs a day with a verse, which is really nice, really good. And if my friend Ray's watching, Comic Book Rayman, you should check him out. Double T Sports. Great guy, very religious. Let's see, Don the Comic Book Junkie, you know, he's doing a lot of videos, movie videos, and comic books. So, who we got here? And I don't even know here. I can't even see it, guys. Some Chicago player. Who's this? Ryan Howard. And I think that's Ortiz. And who's this? Is that Jeter? It's a cool looking Jeter card right there. Then you got my friend Lee, Kateria Racer. He does a lot of old packs and everything. A lot of non-sports cards he likes to collect, like, let's see, Elvis. So, here we got gallery, which this year's gallery is a lot nicer. Last year it was drawn on, which I don't like very much, but Ryan McMahon, Carter Kaboom. Oh, there's a good one, I think. Master Apprentice. I think that is Roberts and Frank Thomas. That's cool. I think that would be a rookie card. And there's old Nickel Homer, which I know I didn't say right. I'm just going to call him Homer, Homie. Let's go 90 Bowman. And my friend John passes alive. There's a lot of people I'd like to shout out. Hazel Dan, the comic book. He collects comic books. Yeah, we're just going to go fly through these real quick, guys. Billy Ripken. I have to turn around the back to see the name, if I can read it. Dave. There's a Mets player for my friend Daryl, who collects Mets, and he also does comic books, Simply Podcasts. There's Ryan Sandberg, my friend Leonard, my Navy buddy. He does comic books. I would like to see a video of you, comic book video. Some Tracy guy. I'll go back and re-sleeve these guys also, the guys that I'm going to keep. Howard Farmer, Dennis, Danny. Like, I'll keep the Ryan Sandberg probably. Mike, Ricky Hennison, I'll keep him. And the gum card, Daryl. So, with that, we'll do 87 tops. Let's see who else could we shout out here. I don't know. Ooh, there's old Don Manley. I'll keep him. Kirby Puckett. Wills Johnson. Thomas. Andrew Thomas. Ken. Ooh, Bo Jackson. Cool, man. Cool. I'll keep him for sure. Steve Lake. Looks like Tim. Who's this guy? Some Pittsburgh guy. Rick. Joe. Bruce. Rob. And who's old Sammy Stewart? Mr. Stewart. So anyways, another good channel I would watch would be baseball channel is Ogre Breaks. My friend TJ does awesome breaks. You can sign up on their Instagram. They start out at 23 all the way up to like 27, sometimes 36. Just so many cool. Free shipping, everything. It's a good channel. Good break to get into. I'd also know Diamond Princess, but I don't think she watches my channel. Same thing with Lisa that collects tigers. I don't think she watches my channel, but Diamond Princess does breaks also. Come on, give me something that I like. Frank White. Who's this? Jody Reed. Joe. I can't see it. Jamie. Ron Kittle. Can I see it? I can't see it. Looks like Hill something. So with that, let's hurry up and do. Geez, we're still. Let's 11 minutes. I want to always try to get them in 10 minutes. I gotta stop talking and just rip. We're doing this year's product. This is the first time I've ever opened any of these. Mike Trasinski, which I used to love his dad. You're actually looking for Wander Franco. This is the card you want to get. Alex Bellman. Oh, Christian Walker. No Wander Franco in here. That guy's going to sit out for the year. Can't believe that. Max Swisher, or whatever, I can't. Swisher. From the Dodgers. And now he's over to the Mets. Awesome. Used to be Detroit Tigers. And what's his name? Oh, Shohei Ohtani. That's a cool card. These two cards, I'll keep those. And we'll go to, I don't know, this 91 Bowman, which is John's favorite pack of the Passes Alive. Rod Cornu, Greg, Charlie, Frank, Stephen, Dave Winfield, Gum Card, Steve Martin, yes, Steve Martin, the comedian, Ron Darling, Todd, Roger, I keep on hitting the camera, Checklist, Jeff Jackson, Dave, and Jimmy Jones. And we'll go, where's my 2019 Don Ross. Let's see if we can get a Tatis. Hurt boy. There's what's his name? Noah Strawberry. Albert. Freddie Freeman. There's our rookie. Winfield. Trevor Story. Justin. Last pack. Now I remember you can get two prospects. One went to Toronto, but he's no longer there. And I can't remember the other guy. Jake Cronenworth, rookie. I'll keep him. Lewis, the rookie of Ronald Acuna Jr., Shane Bieber, Yelich, Dillinger, Another, ooh, there's Wander Renko. I'll keep him. So we did get a Wander. And there we have the first right there. So, guys, I want to thank you. Like I said, I'm going to put these together. I don't know when. Whenever I feel well enough and ship them out. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. I have a whole box full of product, and I am probably going to do it. I just have to find either my mother or my nurse to mail stuff out. And I have so many other AOKs I still have to send. One to Raymond, one to Hazel Dan, still needs to go out. Symphonic Elk, really, I'm going to send something to him also. And there's some guys, card guides. I got Trucker Tim, and who else? Probably something for my buddy Daryl, Jeff in Canada. So there are some guys I'm putting together. Oh, Kateria Racer Lee. So, all right, guys, rock on, man. This is a Joker. Let's check out my awesome Joker painting. Look at all that mess. I just threw all those cards down. Now I got to carefully pick them up. All right, later.